Hey guys, it's Numistacker back with you again for another video. My sincere apologies for the lack of videos recently. It's been quite a busy time one way or another, but I will certainly try and get more out over the rest of the summer and the autumn. If you are a collector of sovereigns, one of the things that you learn very, very quickly is not all sovereigns are created equal. And one of the best places to find out the current buy prices for all of the different types of sovereigns is my friends at Aronium. Clearly, if you have something exceptional, you may find that buy prices are even higher than the ones advertised on the website, but they are interested in buying all kinds of sovereigns, every different age, bullion, proof, anything you've got, and the prices are a fair reflection of scarcity and the overall market for sovereigns. So it's worthwhile checking out their website and giving them a try when you have something of this type to sell. Let's take a quick glimpse here of one of the most spectacular coins to have come across my desk for submission to NGC. And this one is a pattern penny. It's exceptionally rare. The catalogue number, if you want to look it up, is Freeman 777, and it's rated at an R19. I'm not sure if the R numbers go higher than 19, but it's basically one of those coins that there are only a few in existence. Very pretty coin, very beautiful. Quick shout out to my friend Mike Nottleman. You may have come across Mike from the Coin Show Radio, which is certainly worth taking a look at. Hundreds of episodes, all of which contain amazing gems of useful information. mycollect.com is something that is available right now today for you to try out and register, and it contains everything you need as a collector to manage your collection, and it can even alert you when any coins you put in have been stolen. The 1930s was a great period for unicorn type coins, the 33 double eagle, the Australian penny, 1930 penny, and in England we had the 1933 penny. Well, this coin here is a very, very rare die trial before the production of the 1933 penny. It's being graded at the moment by NGC. It might be available. If you're interested in this coin, give me a buzz and let me know. But this coin is one of a very, very few known experimental die trials before that famous 1933 penny. A lot of you guys have said, where is the Megaresults videos? And although I haven't been producing many of them, the results have certainly all been coming back. And I just picked this box at random so you could see some of the beautiful older coins that have come back recently from grading at NGC. Quick reminder, if you are in the UK and you would like somebody to submit coins on your behalf, please make contact with me, numistacker@gmail.com, and I will be more than happy to help you with that sometimes complicated process of submitting coins to NGC. There's also a website, thenumistacker.com, and that contains the submission forms, price lists, special labels, and all the other information that you need in order to be able to submit coins with me. It looks like there is a significant amount of interest in this early British copper period, coins produced specifically by the Soho Mint in Birmingham, and they produce so many different varieties and trials and experimentation, patterns, proofs, gilts. There is something for everybody, and I think that if you're looking for a period to focus on, then you could do a lot worse than look between sort of 1750 and 1810 as a period of British copper and grab yourself some of these amazing coins while they are still around. This one is a beauty, a 1797 cartwheel tuppenny piece. That's 2 pennies. There were 12 pennies to a shilling. So, and these things must have weighed an absolute ton in people's purses or trouser pockets, or however they were being carried around at the time. I guess my favourite collecting area within these early copper coins, or maybe even silver coins as well, is the proof sets of 1826 and 1831. There were very few of these produced, and the coins themselves are absolutely beautiful, particularly if they're in good, highly preserved condition. So go out, take a look at the proofs that are around. They don't need to be particularly expensive. For example, the farthing, the smallest copper coin, can be had for only a few £100, and it could be a great way to start one of these coin collections from this particular era. This is an interesting coin next. This is a piece of Irish gun money made by the forces of James II during the Williamite War between 1689 and 1691. And these coins should have been silver, but they were actually minted in copper instead, in order to pay the troops with a promise that they could be swapped out afterwards. I'm still being asked regularly, what should I be focusing on at the moment by a lot of modern collectors who maybe are buying a little less modern now and wanting to expand into other areas. And I don't think you can go wrong with sovereigns, particularly shieldback sovereigns, or any sovereigns in very good condition beyond probably from Edward VII backwards. They're always a very good one to collect, and they tend to keep their value very well. I've noticed a big upswing in interest to higher good condition pre-decimal coins, and also Maundy money, which has a very, very big range of time to be able to put together some of the best sets. A lot of interest in Maundy at the moment. So thanks very much for watching. If you haven't already subbed, then please hammer that sub button so you get the notification when there is a new Numistacker video to watch. And I hope it won't be long before the next one is up for you to take a look at as well.